Hello everyone, Curingas here, and today I'm bringing a very interesting subject to our channel. It's about the solid, it's about the five principles. And to be honest, this is a mid-level developer need to understand these principles because sometimes we create too much, we create classes that when we touch, we can break those classes, and this is not good. This is terrible to do manutention in the future. So what is the solid? In solid we have five principles to turn our code better, right? So let's go to the first. It's the single responsibility. We have the second one, open close, the third, Liskov substitution, the fourth, interface segregation, and dependency inversion in the last one. So let's understand the first one, the single responsibility. All classes, modules, and functions need to have only one responsibility, right? One reason to change. So, for example, you need inside your class, um, a function inside your class need to do only one thing, and we need to have only one reason to change this. Let's go to the open close. All the core functionalities can be extended without altering the initial source code. So for example, if you have some code in production that we can touch, because if we touch can be bring some problems to the production code, it's better in that case to extend that class, right? And the third, derivated class must be replaceable with their base class, right? This is the Liskov substitution, and we can realize using this principle, we can realize when the entity that we are trying to create not belongs to the base type, right? And one thing that is very interesting here, it's all the principles help each other. That's the truth. Because for example, here in Liskov, we have this idea of we can implement the Liskov, the LSP. Sometimes you can understand that the entity that we are trying to implement in our base type, it's not the correct one. So this is opens vision to the interface segregation. For example, our class should only have access to their necessary methods related to their own needs. So this principle helps the Liskov substitution, right? And okay, that's it. And okay, about the interface segregation, sometimes it's better to don't have only one big interface in your software. It's better to have a small interface to deal with your code. And the last one is the dependency inversion. In that case, we need to depend on abstraction and not concrete classes, right? And this is our five principles. Now, in the next class, we will have the code, hands-on code. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this small overview introduction, please subscribe to the channel, and cheers. See you in the next class.